Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a mom trying to balance creativity, cleanup, and a little bit of sanity, you know that finding the right art supplies for your kids can feel like walking through a minefield. Between toxic ingredients, impossible stains, and paints that barely show up on paper, it's easy to just say no to messy play. But today, I'm so excited to talk about a product that's brought so much color and calm into our home, the Crayola Paint Pendulum set. Priced at just $12, it might look like a simple art kit, but for my family, it's become a go-to for open-ended play, imaginative projects, and even some much-needed screen-free time. I first picked it up on a whim, hoping to surprise the kids with something new, and what happened next totally changed how I think about kids' paint. Stick around. I'll be walking you through why this little set has made such a big difference in our daily rhythm. As a mom, I'm always on the lookout for art supplies that are fun for my kids, but won't drive me crazy with mess or safety concerns. And let me tell you, the Crayola Paint Pendulum set has been an absolute game changer in our house. We started using these paints during a rainy weekend when the kids were bouncing off the walls, and I just wanted something creative to keep them busy. I was blown away by how vibrant and rich the colors are. My daughter painted a rainbow jungle scene, and the reds, blues, and greens practically jumped off the paper. There's no dullness here, just bold, exciting shades that kids are naturally drawn to. It made their artwork look so professional, and honestly, I caught myself wanting to hang every single piece on the fridge. Plus, the paint went on smoothly, whether they were using brushes, sponges, or their fingers. No clumping, no streaking, just pure, easy creativity from the very first stroke. One thing that really stands out, and honestly, probably the biggest reason I'd buy these again in a heartbeat, is how incredibly washable they are. Let's be real, when kids paint, messes happen. I've had paints before that stain the counter, the floor, your child's shirt, and somehow even your hair, but not these. I spilled a bit on the kitchen table while setting up, and all it took was a quick wipe with a damp cloth, and it was gone. Same with my son's hands. Even after finger painting for nearly an hour, a simple wash with soap and water left his skin completely clean. I was especially relieved when my youngest, who's still in her everything goes on the floor phase, knocked over a cup and got paint on the rug. After a quick blot and some warm water, you'd never know it happened. For a parent juggling chores, work, and kids, that kind of cleanup ease is priceless. It means I don't have to dread art time. I can actually relax and enjoy watching them create. Another huge win for me is that these paints are non-toxic. As a mom, I worry about what my kids are exposed to, especially when they're painting, touching everything, and then inevitably putting their hands in their mouths. With Crayola, I feel confident letting them explore freely. I've even let them use the paint on crafts like homemade cards for grandma and decorations for their school project, knowing it's safe. The fact that it's water-based adds to that peace of mind. And while they're safe, they don't skimp on fun. We actually got the sparkle version, and both kids were over the moon. The glitter mixed into the paint gives their artwork that extra wow factor, especially under the light. They made thank you cards with sparkling stars and painted their toy horses with rainbow manis, a hit at a recent birthday party, by the way, and everything washed off easily afterward. It's the kind of joyful creativity you want for your kids, without the guilt or stress. Now, I'll be honest, these paints aren't perfect. The bottles are on the smaller side, and while they've lasted us through several projects, I can see how some parents might find them a bit underwhelming in quantity. If you've got older kids or plan on doing bigger art sessions, you might go through them quicker than expected. Also, the consistency is a little on the thinner side, which helps it wash off easily, but means the color can sometimes look a bit light on thicker paper unless you apply a second coat. I noticed that when my son tried to paint a dark background, it took a couple of layers to get the depth he wanted. And while rare, I did spot a faint mark on one of the lighter dish towels after a spill, though it came out in the wash eventually. So, not totally miracle proof on all fabrics, which is something to keep in mind. But honestly, for the age group and the price, these are minor quibbles. You're not buying professional artist grade materials, you're getting a kid friendly, safe, and fun art experience, and in that department, it delivers. What I really love is how versatile these paints are. My kids have used them on paper, cardboard, wood blocks, even fabric for homemade name tags. They held up well across different surfaces, and the colors stayed true. We did handprint art, family tree paintings, holiday cards, and even a monster art day where they dipped toy cars in paint and raced them across big sheets of paper. Total chaos, but in the best way. The paints held up to all kinds of experimentation. And cleanup? Never a headache. We just rinse the brushes, wipe down the table, and within minutes, it's like painting never happened. I've used other washable paints before, and let me tell you, not all washable paints live up to the name. These do. They've earned their spot in our regular rotation, especially for quick, spontaneous art days when creativity strikes. Overall, I'd say these Crayola paints are one of those rare finds that strike the perfect balance between fun and practicality. They're affordable. We got ours for $12, which feels like a steal for the quality, and they keep my kids engaged for hours. There's something so special about seeing your child's face light up when they see their bright, glittery masterpiece come to life. As a mom, I want my kids to explore, express themselves, and get messy in the process, but without the aftermath stress. These paints let them do all that. Are they perfect in every technical sense? Maybe not. But are they worth it? Absolutely. I've already caught myself browsing online to stock up again. And honestly, that's the highest praise I can give. If you're looking for a safe, colorful, low mess way to bring out your child's inner artist, these are a fantastic choice. If you're ready to paint the town and your kitchen table with worry free, colorful fun, grab a set and let the creativity flow. Don't forget to like this video if you're all about stress free art time, and subscribe for more mom tested, kid approved pics that make parenting a little brighter.